Here we have a pixie hair transformation. She does have her natural salt and pepper color mixed in with this cut. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. I love the choppy texture that the stylist did. Really accented her hair color. Beautiful transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So we have someone who wants to go really short with another pixie. Now this stylist is known for doing these amazing asymmetrical face framing pixie styles. Let's see if that's what he ends up doing for this one. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I love how the color accents the cut. Beautiful job. So next up, we have another beautiful pixie transformation. This one has so much body and movement, gorgeous. And I've noticed a lot of the women are keeping their natural grays, they're embracing them, and I am loving this trend. Oh wow, this is absolutely stunning. She does have a two-tone coloring going with the bang, blonde in the front, brunette in the back. Very nice. And then we see someone with natural curly hair. Looks like the stylist is giving her like a curly bob haircut. I love her natural color, or her natural curls features this like dimension between bigger and shorter strands that is just so pretty and effortless. Beautiful. And I think that the pixie bob looks amazing with the natural textures. Very cute style. So next up, we have someone with blonde hair. Looks like she has an asymmetrical, a mohawk style pixie. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this blonde color on her. So bright and beautiful. Her hair has so much volume, and the curls are just accented beautifully throughout the style. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she decided to get a fresh bob haircut, the middle part down the center. Gorgeous. And then we have another pixie This one features a lot of choppy layers as well. A nice feathered effect going in the back with the curls. Gorgeous. Now this is a pixie that is definitely going to give you a lot of height, and you can play around with the placement and styling that you want to do with this one. Very cool haircut. Next up, we have someone with bleached blonde hair. Stylist is adding in some color. Whoa, wow. Kind of reminds me of the sunset. I think that is the sun there going there on the side with the design. Wow, such a unique hairstyle. This is definitely someone with some personality. And then we move on to the next transformation. The stylist is putting in some color. Looks like she decided to go platinum or very bright blonde and also get a pixie haircut. Oh, this is so cute. I really like the texture. And this really plays into that PC pixie trend that we're seeing floating around now. It's really starting to grow in popularity. And then we have someone with this gorgeous copper colored hair. Oh, I love her color. Looks like she's going to be getting bob haircut with bangs. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I think for me, what really makes this cut is definitely the color. This is one of my favorite hair trends that we are seeing, especially for the summer season. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.